Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DiamondArtGift. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DiamondArtGift. All right, let's do this first one here. This should be a partial. It's $4.99. Let's see. So special shaped drills here, ordinary toolkit, and here it is. It's this hummingbird with a moon and some flowers here. It looks like it has 7 colors here. The symbols are all numbers. It's like really tiny on this legend. I'm not sure why it has to be so tiny. There's a lot of space, but it's really tiny on the legend here. It does have the crystal code. So 1 is usually the clear drill. Don't ask 27. I'm guessing is green. I don't know. Sometimes the circle around there is not indicative of the actual color. So looks like, yeah, all the symbols are numbers here. And now I know, like, I have too much light on. That's why it's glaring. I was like, what's wrong? I was like, yep. Oh, wait. So it's about 9 3/4 inches. Yeah, about 9 3/4 inches by 25-ish centimeters. Right, so it looks like only a few colors. So these are regular regular sized rhinestone drills. So some clear pink and green, and then some teardrops, some bigger yellow drills, some marquees, and then some clear marquees. Did I say this is $4.99? Well, if I did, I said it now. There. Next up is, these should be stickers. They're $2.99 on the website. So ordinary toolkit. Looks like these are going to be round drills, regular round drills. And, oh, is this in another? No. And it's these animals here. Now, they're going to test me on what kind of animals some of these are. Like, I'm guessing a mouse. Is it a tiger? No idea what animal that is with the blue hair. No idea. So a snake, a bunny. Is that a cow? Maybe. A dog, a monkey, a hippo, a sheep, some sort of chicken, and a pig. Still pondering, is this a new animal? Is it a Pokemon? So let's measure the pig here. So it's about a little bit more, it's like a 2 1/4 inches by like 2 inches there, or about 6 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Ooh, wait, there's antlers. That still gives me nothing. I think it's the blue. I'm like, what animal has the blue with the antlers? Or, you know, people are starting to dye the hair of their animals, right? I don't know. So some gray, beige, pink, more beige, and some browns, some red here. some pinks, blue, so it looks like it gets more vibrant right there, and then some black. Oh, I should have, it's only in two. Right. Next up is this one here. Okay, this one is a round drill diamond painting. It's $4.99. So ordinary toolkit, round drills, like I said. And it's this picture here. It's these seashells and flowers. I just liked the colors. For whatever reason, I really like diamond painting colorful pictures. I find the less colorful diamond paintings not as entertaining to diamond paint. I don't know. So this has 23 colors. All the symbols are letters. And drill field looks pretty clear. I have to say that diamond paintings, the print has gotten pretty good. Like when I first started, I had my second diamond painting was like you couldn't read it. This one is 24.5 by 34.5. And did I say this was $4.99? But yeah, no, I was like, maybe this could be a summer picture. I just like the colors. And I like flowers. Oh, wait. Because I forgot. The drills. Here. So some really pretty colors there. And where is the beginning? Somewhere. Yeah, see, look, this is why I said I thought the colors are awesome on this one. Yeah, some very nice, vibrant colors. I don't think any of the colors you get tired of doing. All right, next up is this one. This one is $4.99. It's a round drill diamond painting too. So ordinary toolkit. The drills are in baggies on this one. I've been seeing a lot more diamond paintings come this way. And here it is. It's some butterflies. See, this is also equally as colorful as the previous one. Like I said, sometimes I choose things based off of color, and since I'm getting relatively small diamond paintings here, I'm like, what pattern do I think will be good enough as a small diamond painting? Because remember, just because it's being sold for that size doesn't mean it will turn out nicely in that size. So I've been trying to get the smaller ones, but in patterns that I think will turn out even in a smaller picture. So this one has 23 colors. All the symbols are letters. And drill field. I think it looks fine. And so it's about 9 3/4 inches, or a little bit less than 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters, or about 13 3/4 inches. So, and here's the color scheme on this one. It doesn't seem half as vibrant as the other one, even though it looks pretty vibrant there, but I think it looks like it should turn out. Yep. All right. Next item here. This is a bag. It's $6.99 on the site. And here it is. It's a J bag. Here. You know, for my name, Joan. Okay. So the bag itself is about 11.5 inches by 13 inches, or about 29 inches by 29 centimeters by 30. See, this is why it's hard to actually mix and match my numbers, because I'm just like, too many measurements. So it looks like ordinary toolkit, except it has a couple small baggies. And symbols on this look like they're all numbers here, except some letters for the specials. It looks like the little drills are all numbers, but then the specials are letters. I think that will work out. I've already done this I've done this bag for the letter P already. All right. So it does look like the symbol. I don't know. Is this number 11? Oh, I thought that was... So this is number 11 here. So this looks like it's the main letter here. Okay, so it looks like we have some white ABs. And if you're new to diamond painting, ABs have that coating on there. I don't know if you can tell. There's like a coating on there. It kind of gives it just like an iridescent looking... it looks, yeah, it just shines a little bit different when the light hits it. And then some rhinestone drills here. Purples. So it looks like some pinks and reds, some clear purples. I'm guessing for this flower here. And some greens. And then here are the specials. So some teardrops, some really teeny tiny teardrops. These are like some of the hardest ones to diamond paint. And I really like the gold drills for whatever reason. Oops, almost forgot that one here. All right, that's actually the last one I'm unboxing for this video. So let me move things so that there is space. Move you up. Now you can see all where I'm throwing my toolkits. Some there. There. Let's see. There is that. And the hummingbird here. So I'm going to work on some of the projects and I'll see you later. All right, I'm back and the bag with the J is finished. Let's see, what did I write? So the bag is 29 by 33.5. It has 14 colors. 1 was an AB, 10 were crystal rhinestones, and 3 specials. This took me 58 minutes to complete. I thought the rendering was okay. The symbols were numbers and letters. Stick, I needed to add a little bit of glue. So there was there was like a section, I can't remember which section now, that I did have to add some glue. And I mean, I used this. It's a quickie glue pen here, so it's just like a pen, and then you could just kind of dab the glue on there. You let it dry a little bit, and then you could put the drill on. And then it's a bag. Yeah, so I didn't really write. I think it turned out really nice here. There was actually a couple, there was like, I think 2 or 3 different shades of purple in this. I'm not sure if you could tell. I do like the ABs and the clear drills. I'm not sure if you can see it. And then the gold blingy here, and the little tulips up here. I think it's nice. And I did had in a previous, I had done the P. So here I have my J and P. Maybe I have too much light going on. But yeah, I had done a J and the P here. For my initials, the P to J looks actually a little bit bigger. All right. And I finished the stickers here. Let's see. So there's 12 stickers. There is 15 colors, and these were all rounds. I thought the rendering was fine. All the symbols were numbers. Nothing too crazy. This took me 1 hour and 14 minutes to complete. And they're cute. I still have no idea what kind of animal this is. It does have antlers. Or horn. No, and those are antlers. So there's, I'm guessing, a tiger, a mouse, a snake, a bunny. This, I'm guessing, is a cow, and a hippo, a monkey, a dog, a pig, a chicken, and a sheep. There. So yeah, this is the finishes I have for this video. So thank you very much to DiamondArtGift for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!